So what I've done is I created a series of blue paintings. In English, when you say you're feeling blue, it means you're feeling sad. But I also used blue because traditionally and spiritually, blue was the most heavenly color of the Middle Ages. The only good blue pigment that existed since the beginning of mankind, the first one was invented in Egypt. It was called Egyptian blue. Yeah, you heard me right. Before Egypt, there was no blue in the history of art. All the cave paintings, all the prehistoric paintings, they don't have blue. Blue didn't exist in the history of art until the Egyptians created it. Another pigment was developed called smalt. And smalt is also very beautiful blue, a different shade. And finally, the third shade emerges in the Middle Ages, and it's called lapis lazuli, it's the ultramarine. The best stones, they come from Afghanistan. And in the ancient world, only the Afghan lapis existed. Now we have other mines in different parts of the world, but the best one is still Afghan. And what happens when you look at a stone of Afghani lapis, you see blue veins, which are lazurite, white veins, which are calcite, and you see little yellow dots, pyrite. It's the sky. You're looking at the blue, the white, and the stars. So in the Middle Ages, artists and alchemists believed that blue was a celestial substance that condensed, fell from heaven into this world in the shape of lapis lazuli. As such, it was used to paint only sacred images.